Hey, what's happening in here? Why is this thing?
I told them to power up the reactor.
Yeah.
It was just smoking. Just keeps taking the fuel. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Uh,
Maybe there is a trade. I mean, I swear zero or trader was at 0.
The
Yeah,
fuck
there's
do
too
I-
many fucking. Yeah.
get this thing
Alright, I'm
away
gonna
from my
undock.
reactor.
Alright.
Undock.
Oof.
Why are you blowing reactors?
I can't be held accountable
I
for what I
use
do with my
handcuffs.
mouth.
I don't want to handcuff myself.
Why would that even be an option?
Go. Stop! In the name of the law!
Oh,
You're
dude.
gonna get us killed!
Oh god.
The dude, like,
Dude.
it was the one of the NPCs. Shit. Hey, Spike.
So.
I don't know how to. Oh wait. Okay.
Incoming.
Dismissed. There
Oh
we
god.
go.
Oh god.
Ballast tank A as a breach.
Man room.
Oh god.
Shit.
Oh god.
Shit.
Oh god.
Come on.
Don't worry. The doctor's here.
Everything should be dead. We just got stuff to fix.
Nah, there's 2 crawlers down below us.
Where's the hole? Where's the hole breach?
Ballast
Both the
tanks,
ballast tanks.
Come on.
Uh-huh.
Why do I keep saying command room though? Why is it not letting me? Oh, drag and drop. Fucking up.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck.
Oh god.
Oh my god.
Oh god. Oh god.
Were you just
No, I'm alive. I'm ducking so you
Dude, you
fucking
didn't-
assholes don't fucking kill me with your welders.
I don't want to talk about it.
I'm just
What I
humping
had
the
in my
ground.
hand.
We
That was
good?
a welder I had in my hand. That was not a welder I had in my hand. I may have shot you with a plasma cutter. Stop
It-
being so crazy.
it's-
Won't have to do it.
It's karma. I deserve that.
We good? I think we're good.
The crawler is way up top. There's a bunch of...
Come on, go up.
Stop the sub.
There,
He's gonna
it's
punch him.
maintaining. Oh, were you outside of the ship? Why is it still sinking though? It's literally should be maintaining position. There he goes.
Tyler, are you outside of the sub, dude? Was that you just swimming on the fucking... on the brow?
Dude, just stop moving, ship. Autopilot sucks. I fucking hate it.
Yeah, we're like slowly going down.
Well, but it's like super going up though. Okay.
Aye, aye.
I think they're shooting at something.
I got it.
Jeez. Oh, nice. Oh, was it you shooting? Nice.
Oh god.
Okay, is
dude.
everybody in the ship?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. No, okay. Yeah. That's why I checked. Okay.
Great. Anybody got any fucking welding burns they need fixed?
Probably you.
Yeah, I do. And I got lacerations too.
There's definitely some plasma issues that you had.
Ow.
Whoa.
Thanks for that. blood loss.
It'll be good.
What do I do? I thought a fucking bandage would get rid of lacerations. I am the worst doctor ever. I just keep shooting myself up with morphine and being like, I'll be fine.
Wow,
I'll be fine. Should I take antipsychotics? No, I'm not a cutter.
what's wrong with you?
What the?
Lacerations.
Oh, we're gonna have crawlers or something.
It's not even anything. It's not even anything major. No buff out.
Safe. I just fucking straight Pete Rose that shit.
Shit, they are coming.
What is this?
Yeah, there's stuff coming. Crawlers.
Yeah, see, we need to get that fucking third turret on, man.
Damn.
So fucking amazing. We gonna go back for that quartz for that mission, or?
Oh shit! I forgot that we still needed that.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just start. It's fine.
Dude, how the fuck do I have a goddamn blunt force Trump? That's how.
Probably from running around and hitting. Yeah, I was like,
No, no.
Oh shit, we have oxygen generators. So we can refill oxygen tanks.
Nice.
Duh. Yeah, I know what to do now.
Docking now.
Docking?
That's how we're alive. That's
Injured. Man, okay. So the thing we need to do the most, I think, on the while we're here, is get a medic. Because I don't think we have one.
How we don't.
Saw, dude.
So,
When your doctor says saw, dude, to you, it's time to get up and leave.
Hey, bro, do you know what I need to use to get rid of fucking lacerations? I'm just trying to help you, bro.
All right, there. Yeah, we got auto paid, but we didn't get shit.
Yeah, $300. Woo!
Waking up from life-changing surgery and seeing Bob go,
Good. Hawaiian rolls.
Yeah, right.
Let's see, dude. I need 300.
Perfect
I need
for glaucoma.
$315.
Really?
Yes.
That's all you have, you mean?
No, I need. I need.
Why wouldn't it let me bring the menu back?
Where is this dude at in this station?
I'll give you all.
I can get first aid training.
Nice.
Gain 15 bonus to medical.
I do not want your money, or I will spend your money on a clown costume.
God damn it.
Just fucking
I'm
kidding.
happy I did. I literally almost hit confirm too. So you don't get money now.
I need to find. Oh wait. Is he down here?
You are looking for the clown, aren't you?
No, I'm looking for the fucking shipyard.
What?
Oh, that's our ship. How the fuck did I not see this thing?
Shit.
I'm stupid.
I wish we had $3
Hey,
grand. We need a
Steve.
mechanic. Oh, Steve.
What?
My medical should be on par with yours.
Your
In
what?
fact, it's more.
Great.
Makes sense. Hella makes sense.
Damn.
What is this guy? He is a.
Ow! Oh fuck! Damn, I may have a laceration and some blunt force trauma because I fell down the fucking ladder.
Talk to your
I think we have
security
2 doctors
officer.
on
He's
board.
got a band-aid for your boo-boo.
Wanna like rob this place?
Are you doing that?
Fuck, man, I'm trying to find a fucking shop that sells things.
It's
This,
just right here on the first level. Oh no, it's the engineering version.
Let's see. Well, this guy doesn't want to buy our submarine. So, sorry, guys.
Still, I wouldn't want to buy our submarines.
I saw someone that was wait. We need to fucking America.
We need a what now?
I heard fucking America.
Do we need opium? Oh, we do.
Opium. Let me heal myself.
Alright, I just spent all my money on opium. Or... yeah! Fucking full send.
Oh, nice.
$600 in fucking opium. We're gonna fucking manufacture some
Christ.
fucking... they only had 6. So we're only gonna make a little bit of fentanyl. I mean, healing medicines.
Yes.
So it really helps to get a water booster, water jet.
Yeah, we have. Oh, for the sub or?
No, the handheld water jet, so that you could like.
We have
swim
2 of those.
fast.
We have 2 of them. The
Yeah.
scooters. Yeah. I bought an extra one just the last round. Oh shit! I'm still injured.
Maybe you should talk to someone about that.
This guy.
What is wrong with you?
Yes. I'll go to our security.
Do you want me to
officer.
just give you a bunch of fucking opium?
Uh,
Call it good?
lacerations, blunt force trauma. I don't know. You're the doctor.
Yeah, opium. Totally. Hey, where'd my shipment come? Where'd it go? Where do we get our stuff at?
Just your clowns everywhere.
Yeah.
I don't see where the.
Yeah, where did our shipment go to?
You remember to actually hit buy.
Yes.
Find a hard time believing that.
Pop a bottle of old Cadmus. What in the flying fuck? Where's our... wait.
Went to the deconstructor. It was salvaged for parts.
Cart. What now?
Oh yeah, there was 2 fuel rods in there that I got.
You gotta heal Sabrina. She's yeah, you are fucking bleeding.
Where is she?
I don't know, but yeah, she's low on health. Sabrina. She'll be fine. She's a engineer.
Yeah, I just gave her some morphine. Should be
Alright,
I was
fine.
like right beside her, so that needle could have fucking hit me.
Did you get a damn needle fucking gun thing?
Yeah, you did.
Jesus Christ.
Where did
I
she...
didn't
Make
trust
sure not
somebody who didn't
to,
have a needle. Alright, we're gonna have
infect,
crawlers.
People with, make sure not to shoot infected people with fentanyl.
Brawler. Alright. Whoa.
And it's dead.
C4, huh? I'll
Cool.
take that.
Leaking ballast tank aid. Ugh.
We'll just hold on to that for later. Okay, well, I need to do some learning, figure out how to make some fucking squeaky shoes. I need to learn how to make some fucking medicine, cause
How do I get over there?
we're almost out of stuff.
Probably because some medic's been taking it all.
You know, probably not.
This is not right. Like I might be.
Why in the
Going the
flying?
wrong way.
I don't get it. Oh, hey, look at that.
Would you look at that?
I don't need
I
that.
feel like the port is probably further down and east.
Is it? That's what I was thinking. Yeah.
Oh my lord. So really though, where in the fuck did our shipment go? I really would like
What are you
to
looking
use.
for?
I bought 6 fucking opium. I was gonna try and learn how to make fucking more morphine.
There's opium
Oh,
here
shit,
in the medicine cabinet.
shit. Yeah, it probably filtered to wherever it's supposed to go. That's
There's
where
only
the
one.
sonar was.
I bought 6.
Oh, weird.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, it's here. It's where I'm at. Here, it's in the. It's right below the
We got crawlers.
fan room.
Yeah, I'm standing right next to you.
Here in this cabinet right here.
One that
For
you're
me.
standing in front of?
Yes.
No. I bought 6 opium. I'm trying to find out where the fuck it went, because it's not in my inventory.
You say deliver to sub.
Yeah. So that's cool.
It's probably somewhere.
Money well spent.
There we go.
Unauthorized access. God damn it, I need to fucking pick that lock.
Nope. It's mine.
It's not in the
All right,
cargo.
we're next to the quartz.
I don't see it in the cargo bay.
Get us a little closer.
Guess it doesn't really matter because we don't have a fucking medical table for me to work on, so. Whatever.
Plasma cutter, underwater scooter. There we go.
All right, we're like right next to the quartz.
Is it forward?
Oh shit! There is a monster. Oh shit! Did you get him?
Oh, it's dead.
Okay.
It's gonna bleed out. I don't even have a plasma cutter. What the fuck am I doing? Actually, let me. Actually, I'm gonna go out and repair the ship. I'll do that instead.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get the quartz.
Hi. Yes. Oh.
Wait,
Uh-oh.
guess what? I never.
Doc, I got a bong.
Yeah, I gotta...
It's most likely from the doctor.
Oh, what is wrong with you? Heal. I didn't want to grab you, my bad.
Yeah, he did. That's all he's been
yeah.
dreaming of.
Concussion. Oh no. Come here, you. I think I might have something for that. Toxin, psychosis. Oh, and someone took the
Oh, damn it. I
opium.
grabbed a welding tool, not a freaking plasma cutter.
Draw.
Coming back.
Antipsychotic. Infection.
Well, there's only one plasma cutter, so
Shit.
here. I'll go fucking mine it.
It's over here.
I think you'll be
I'll
alright.
follow you.
How's your noggin doing there, bud?
All the shit. Alright.
Yeah.
All unbonked.
All on.
Oh, that's gonna be a while.
Oh, hell
Weird,
yeah.
why?
I may have
Maybe you're too close?
I may have given you like 10%
weird.
opioid
That's
overdose
weird.
there. Sorry, buddy. I'm learning my numbers.
You're just making people.
Oh, you're good. You're good. You only have 7% opiate addiction, so you'll be all right.
Okay, I am gonna need a battery.
I'm fucking.
For what?
I'm
For the
goddamn
plasma?
Michael Jackson's
plasma-
doctor,
plasma
dude.
cutter.
Can I drop?